I'm really sorry. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't know. I've just been feeling burnt out.
Do you wonder if you're burned out?
Yeah, if you're trying to get out of a burnout.
Burnout is a chronic stressful state.
You burn out because you don't let yourself rest, but you're always in bed.
Burnout, not just a figure of speech anymore. It's actually been declared a legitimate medical diagnosis by the World Health Organization.
On a daily level, burnout can make even basic tasks feel heavy. It becomes harder to concentrate, decisions take more effort, and your motivation starts to fade. You might wake up dreading the day ahead, not because there's anything seriously wrong, but because everything feels too much. There's often a sense of being disconnected from work, from the people around you, and sometimes even from yourself. You might notice you're more irritable, more anxious, or just running on autopilot. Things you used to care about or enjoy might not feel the same anymore. Signs of burnout are constant pressure with no relief, lack of motivation or energy, disconnected from work or your goals, short temper or emotional ups and downs, trouble sleeping or feeling creative. So, how do you get out of burnout? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I get out of burnout, and this may help for you or it may not. We all have different ways to rest and recover from things. This is my take on what's helped for me. I hope you enjoy. Step 1. Stop trying to push through. We have the instinct to hustle harder, force productivity, and shame ourselves into action. Stop. Burnout isn't a laziness issue, it's a capacity issue. You're running on an empty tank. You need to slow down to speed up. Step 2. Regulate your nervous system. If your brain feels foggy and your emotions are flat, your nervous system is likely in survival mode. I do this by detoxing. Usually from my phone, I detox from social media, from the outside world, and just isolate myself a little bit, which sounds bad, but isolating yourself is probably the best thing that you can do. Even if it's just for a day, for 2 hours, for 3 hours, take some time for yourself. Step 3. Rebuild micro wins. Don't try and leap back into your old pace. Instead, rebuild with tiny wins that feel good. Make your bed, respond to that one message, create something small, journal, doodle, voice note something random, pretend you're on like a podcast. Don't talk about work or your goals, just talk about something really random. Talk about a plant. Find out information about this plant and just talk about it. Talk to yourself about it. Go insane. And if you're really feeling insane, go for a run for about 10 to 20 minutes a day. Each win gives your brain a small little bit of dopamine. That's how momentum begins. Step 4 is reflection. Ask yourself, what actually drained me? What expectations was I trying to meet? Where was I ignoring my own needs? What part of my routine felt like too much? Burnout often isn't from doing too much, it's from doing too much of the wrong thing. So how do I feel creative again after burnout? Start with nothing. Forget your deadlines, your goals, your content calendar. Right now, your only job is to be curious again. No posting, no sharing, no perfection. Explore like a beginner. Sketch nonsense, sing gibberish, doodle in the margins, write a sentence you'll never use. Remember, creativity doesn't return when you chase it. It returns when you give it enough room to breathe. Every time you go to do something creative, you want it to be perfect. Set out a goal for yourself to make the ugliest drawing you've ever made. The goal isn't to make something good, it's to make something at all. Sometimes you need to reset your environment. Maybe burnout is tied to where or how you've been creating. Clean your environment, change your location, rearrange your creative space, try different art forms and switch tools. Burnout often comes from performance pressure. To heal, you need safety. Don't share because you need to, share because you want to. Creativity flourishes in freedom, not obligation. I promise you, you can and will feel creative again. Your creativity isn't gone, it's just resting. And the fact that you're here watching this means that you're already waking up. You don't need to come back at full speed. Just start with one spark, one breath, and one tiny idea. That's enough.